Hey y'all, welcome to the Messy Studio. Come on in and see what's going on. Welcome back. Billy here with a quick shop update. It's been crazy, just crazy. This has just been a busy month. Grandkids graduating high school. I made pins for them. You've seen those two videos if you've watched them. And graduation parties, and it's been nuts. I mean, busy. Busy. Wife's retirement party, all those things, you know, and I had to get ready for that. I haven't been able to work on any projects either because I've been working on some commissioned furniture repairs for customers, and those are really not video worthy, so it's just taking time. And it's not going to get any better anytime soon. Going on our family vacation first part of July. We do this every year, a week long, sometimes 2 weeks with the whole family. Probably be the middle of July before I get back into the swing of working in the shop and putting out videos. So I just wanted to let you know what was going on. In the meantime, here's a little shop hack for you. If you saw my dust collector build, you know I recently plumbed my shop with dust collection, finally, yay. But my dust collector bin doesn't have a depth gauge on it, so I made one. Let me show you how. So I had a piece of powder coated rod, and I used my calipers to find the diameter, and then I picked a drill bit that was about 2 thousandths smaller. 2 thousandths, dummy. 20 thousandths smaller. And drilled a hole in this. Took a piece of mouse pad and siliconed it down. Got a smaller hole even through that. I epoxied a wooden disc to the bottom of the rod and a little pull handle up here on top. And now, when I want to check how full my depth is on my bucket, because I can't see through this lid, I just push this down, and when it stops, I know how full it is. So, works fine, lasts a long time, I hope. This is roughly the same length as the bucket is deep, so that gives me a good test, and with this being such a friction fit, I don't have to worry about two things. I don't have to worry about it slipping and falling down in, and I don't have to worry about dust escaping, fine dust escaping from this. So thanks for watching. I really appreciate it. Come back and check on us every now and then. You never know what we're going to be up to here in the Messy Studio. Y'all come back.